Hello everyone, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video for you guys creating a super quick Christmas card using all MFT products. The card base I am creating with today is a wild cherry card base, and I've got a piece of the black and white stripe pattern paper here, and I love black and white stripe paper with Christmas colors, especially the traditional Christmas colors. And also this will be a really great pattern to break up all the reds and the greens that we've got going on. So I have gone ahead and trimmed down all of my pieces and also die cut all of the pieces on my card. This is going to be very minimal stamping. In fact, the only stamping that we're doing on today's card is just on the inside, which is the greeting, and we'll get to that in just a moment. But I'm just going to go ahead and trim off the excess of my pattern paper onto my card base. And then I have gone ahead and die cut a panel of Gumdrop green cardstock from MFT, of course, and with the mini stitched rectangles dies, as well as the silver sparkle cardstock in that same die set, and also the Christmas tree window. I have created a Christmas tree with this silver sparkle cardstock. And it just gives it a nice sparkle and shine to this entire panel. Like I said, this card is super simple, but sometimes you need those super simple cards to create really quickly. And this is a great one to go ahead and mass produce as well. So as I am put together my pieces here on my card, I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that today's video is actually sponsored by MFT. They are actually going to be helping me do a giveaway on my channel. And all you've got to do for the giveaway is be a subscriber to both my channel and the MFT channel. And I will have their channel listed and linked below the video in the description bar area. And you need to make sure that you are subscribed to both of our channels to be entered into the giveaway. I will have the giveaway open for exactly 1 week. So be sure to be a subscriber as well as getting your comment in. So for the rest of the card, I went ahead and die cut with that same Christmas tree window die, the star portion, and from some gold sparkle cardstock. And I'm just going to use my little pickup tool to add that to the top of my tree. Super simple design on the outside, but it gives a lot of sparkle and, obviously with their traditional Christmas colors. So for the inside, we're going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment. And I just love these wonderful sentiments like this. This is called the Beautiful Blessings Sentiment Stamp Set. And I'm just going to place this inside my Misty. And this one says, "Let there be peace on earth." So I'm going to lay that down onto my cardstock here. And then I'm going to ink this up with my Extreme Black ink, also from MFT. And then for the stamping, all I have to do, even though I was using my Misty, all I had to do was just actually stamp this down once because it gave such a great impression the first time, which is obviously great. So, but that's what the beauty of having the Misty is, that you can actually stamp this down more than once if you needed to. So once I get this stamped down onto my card, this card is complete. So thank you all so much for watching my channel today. Like I said, be sure to be a subscriber to both my channel and the MFT channel to enter into the giveaway for a $25 gift certificate to their store. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you all in another video very, very soon.